You just got off another long day. Your feet hurt. Your bank account hasn't moved since the last paycheck disappeared. And somewhere in your feed, there's a 22-year-old claiming he makes more before breakfast than you make in a week. And you think to yourself, what am I actually doing wrong? Here's the truth nobody's telling you. The answer isn't that you're lazy or untalented or too late. The answer is that the game quietly changed. And most people didn't get the memo, because right now, in 2026, there are AI tools sitting one tab away that can do the work that used to require a degree, a team, and 3 years of experience. And today I'm going to show you 7 side hustles you can start with literally 0 skills, where people are reportedly earning anywhere from a few bucks to up to $700 a day. No code, no camera, no pretending to be an influencer, just you, a laptop, and the willingness to open the tab. Stick around, because hustle number 7 is the one I personally do every single day. And it's the one that ties all the others together into something that can genuinely replace an income. The first 6 are powerful on their own. Number 7 is a system. I've ranked these easiest to hardest, so the very first one you can set up before your coffee goes cold. Don't be the person who watches the first 90 seconds, gets a little spark of motivation, and then opens TikTok mid-sentence. Stay with me, because here's what most people get wrong. They think the barrier to making money online is some secret skill, something rich people know that you don't. It's not. The barrier used to be skill, sure. You needed to know how to design, or write, or edit, or code. And learning any one of those took months. But AI just deleted that barrier overnight. The new barrier isn't skill anymore. It's just knowing which tool does what, and actually opening it. That's it. That's the whole gap between the people cashing checks and the people scrolling past them. By the end of this video, that gap is closed for you. You'll have 7 concrete plays, ranked easiest to hardest, and you'll know exactly which one to start with tonight. So grab a notebook, or just keep this tab open, because I'm going to move fast. Let's get into it. Let's start with the one that feels almost too easy, because there's no audience, no customers to talk to, and no product to ship. We're selling digital products you didn't even have to design. Here's the deal. People buy printables and templates every single second of every single day. Budget planners, meal prep trackers, wedding checklists, resume templates, study schedules. Boring stuff that quietly prints money while the seller sleeps. And you don't need to be a designer, because AI is your design team now. Watch how this plays out. I open ChatGPT and I type, "Give me 10 digital product ideas I can sell on Etsy under the productivity category based on what's trending in 2026. Boom. Instant list. I pick 90-day habit tracker. Then I prompt, write the full content and layout for a printable 90-day habit tracker, including a cover page, instructions, and a monthly review section. It hands me the entire thing in seconds. I drop that into Canva, search a clean template, paste the content in, export as a PDF, and the product is done. Total time? Maybe 20 minutes. Then I open Gumroad or Etsy, click New Product, upload the PDF, write a description that ChatGPT also generated, and set the price somewhere around $7 to $12. To put this in perspective, this is the kind of thing people used to pay graphic designers $100 to make. You just did it for free in less time than it takes to microwave lunch. Here's why it works. There's no inventory, no shipping, no returns. You make it once, and it can sell over and over, and the leverage is insane, because you can spin up 10 of these in a weekend. Think of it like vending machines. One machine is cute. 40 machines is a business. And the only difference is that you kept stocking them. AI just lets you stock a new machine in 20 minutes instead of a week. But done right, this is the lowest effort entry point on the entire list. And it's just the warm-up, because hustle number 2 builds you something that can grow while you do nothing. Okay. This next one is where you build an actual audience without ever showing your face or saying a word. We're creating a faceless content page on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts in a niche that runs entirely on AI-generated posts. Think motivation, money mindset, stoic quotes, study tips, fitness facts. The kind of pages you've scrolled past 1,000 times without realizing somebody's quietly monetizing them. Here's how it plays out live. I open ChatGPT and prompt, give me 30 short, original motivational captions for a faceless, discipline-themed page, each under 20 words, no cliches. It fires back a month of content in one go. Then I take each one into Canva, drop it over a clean background, or a free stock clip from Pexels, and I've got 30 posts ready to schedule. Now here's the part most people miss. The page itself isn't the product. The attention is. Once you've got a following, you monetize 3 ways. 1. Affiliate links to books or apps in your niche. 2. Your own digital products sold straight to your audience. 3. Brand shoutouts, where even small pages can pull a few $100s per post. Think of it like planting a tree. The first few weeks feel like nothing's happening. You're posting into the void. And then, the algorithm catches one post, and suddenly you've got 10,000 followers asking where to buy. Most people quit at week 3 because they run out of ideas. You'll never run out, because ChatGPT is your idea factory. And here's a trick that doubles your output. Once a post does well, you feed it back into ChatGPT and say, "This caption performed well. Give me 15 more in the exact same tone and structure." Now you're not guessing. You're cloning what already worked. You can do that on day 1.
This one is for anyone who wants cash in days, not months, because you're selling a service that's in massive demand right now. Voiceovers. Every faceless creator, every course maker, every small business making an explainer video needs a voice, and most of them don't want to record their own. That used to mean hiring a professional for $100 a script. Now you can deliver studio quality narration in minutes using AI and pocket the difference. Here's the live demo. A client sends me a 300-word script. I open ElevenLabs, paste it in, pick a natural voice, hit generate, and 30 seconds later I've got a voiceover that sounds like a real person recorded it in a booth. I download it, maybe clean it up, and send it over. Done. Now, how do you get clients without a portfolio? Simple. You go to Fiverr or Upwork, search voiceover, and you'll see people charging anywhere from $10 to $100 per gig. You create a gig titled something like, "I will record a professional, natural-sounding voiceover for your video." You make 3 sample clips with AI to show your range, and you're open for business. Important honesty note here, because it matters. Be upfront with clients that the voice is AI generated. Transparency keeps your account alive, and your reviews 5 stars. Here's the math. Land just 3 clients a day at $20 each. That's $60 for maybe 30 minutes of total work. Think of it like a food truck versus a restaurant. A restaurant is a nightmare of overhead, but a food truck? You make the same thing over and over, fast, with a tiny setup, and you keep almost everything you earn. That's this gig. It's the fastest cash on this list. Now we step into real client money, because this is a service businesses already pay for every single month, and most of them hate doing it. Blog content and SEO writing. Every dentist, plumber, gym, and law firm needs articles on their website to show up on Google, and almost none of them want to write a word of it. You become the person who solves that, powered by AI. Here's how it works live. A client runs a local fitness studio. I open ChatGPT and prompt, "Write a 1,200-word SEO blog post on the best home workouts for beginners, include headers, a meta description, and internal linking suggestions. Keep the tone friendly and practical." In under a minute, I've got a full, structured article. I read it, fix anything that sounds robotic, add a genuinely human touch, and deliver it. Here's the leverage. What used to take a freelance writer a full day, you now do in about 30 minutes of review. You're not competing on time, you're competing on speed and price, and you win both. Now, I can already hear the objection, but won't the business owner just use AI themselves and cut me out? Here's the thing. They won't. And I mean that. The same way most people own an oven and still order pizza. They have the tool. They don't have the time, the system, or the willingness to actually sit down and do it every week. You're not selling them access to AI. You're selling them the results showing up in their inbox without them lifting a finger. That's worth money, and it always will be. The math? 3 clients, 4 articles a month, $50 each. That's $600 a month for a few hours of work, and that's the floor. This one's perfect if you want client cash without ever appearing on camera, because you're not really editing, you're assembling with AI. There's an entire wave of faceless creators who desperately need someone to turn scripts into finished videos. That's your market, and you don't need years in Premiere Pro to serve it. Here's the workflow in real time. A client sends a topic, 5 foods for better sleep. I jump into ChatGPT and prompt, "Write a punchy 3-minute faceless YouTube script in listicle format on 5 foods for better sleep." Seconds later, full script. I paste it into ElevenLabs for the voiceover. I grab free stock clips from Pexels, drop everything into CapCut, line up the footage with the narration, add smooth transitions and auto captions, maybe a music bed, and export in 1080p. All in about 45 minutes. And the result looks like a $200 video. Now here's the real leverage. Once you've done it a few times, you cut layout, your caption style, your voiceover settings, and every project gets faster. 3 clients, 4 videos a month, $50 a video, 12 videos, $600 a month, and that scales. And you can keep climbing. Once a client trusts you with their videos, you offer upgrades.
longer videos, shorts repurposed from the main video, thumbnail design. Suddenly you're not the editor, you're their entire content department. Turn one-off gigs into monthly retainers, because retainers are what turn a side hustle into something stable.
Now we get into passive income, where one piece of content can keep paying you long after you make it. This is where AI and affiliate marketing collide, and you never show your face or record your voice. Here's how it plays out. First, I find a product worth promoting, an app, a tool, a digital course with a public affiliate program, and I sign up officially. I grab my affiliate link and shorten it. Then I open ChatGPT and prompt. Write an honest, balanced 3-minute review script. Include real pros and cons and a soft call to action. 30 seconds later, a natural-sounding script. I run it through ElevenLabs, pull relevant stock clips, edit it in CapCut, add captions, and export. Then, crucially, I add a clear disclosure that the description contains affiliate links, because that's not optional. That's the law in most places, and it keeps you out of trouble. Here's why this is powerful. The video doesn't expire. Someone searching 6 months from now can watch it. Click your link, and you earn a commission while you're asleep. Each video is a little salesperson working 24/7. The honesty piece is non-negotiable. You only promote things you genuinely think are decent, because viewers can smell fake hype from a mile away. If you bring a salad to a pizza party, nobody bites. Promote a budgeting app inside a video about saving money, and suddenly everybody's interested. Do this right, once a week, and you start stacking digital assets that drip income. Okay, this is the big one. And I'm telling you right now, this isn't just a side hustle. This is a system, and it's the one I personally run. Imagine a channel with no face on camera, no voice you have to record, no 10-hour editing nights, just AI-powered content uploaded consistently in a profitable niche. Here's how the whole thing comes together. Step 1, ideas. Because if your idea is weak, the video is dead before it uploads. Step 2, the script. Write an engaging 8-minute YouTube script with a strong hook, a re-hook every 60 to 90 seconds, casual storytelling, and a clear call to action. That's how you hack retention. And on YouTube, retention equals money. Step 3, voice. ElevenLabs, or hire a real human on Fiverr if you want extra warmth. Step 4, editing. CapCut with stock footage and captions, or outsource it cheaply. Step 5, upload consistently, because the algorithm rewards channels that show up. Now, here's where the money actually comes from. 3 layered streams. First, AdSense, the floor, not the ceiling. Second, sponsorships. Brands pay you per video once you've got consistent views. Third, affiliate marketing and digital products, the uncapped part, because one well-placed recommendation in an evergreen video can earn for months. Stack all 3, and you stop thinking like a YouTuber and start running it like a business. One more thing that decides whether this works, and almost nobody talks about it, the niche. Pick a niche where brands actually spend money and where evergreen searches exist. AI, personal finance, productivity, health, tech. Choose the niche first, the way you'd pick a fishing spot before you cast. Here's the honest part, because I respect you too much to lie. This is not overnight, and it's not a magic button. It's one video after another, one income stream layered on the next, consistency over months. But it's real, it's repeatable, and it can genuinely grow into a full income. So let's bring it home. You came in tired, maybe a little skeptical, asking what you're doing wrong. And the answer was never that you're not good enough. It's that you didn't yet have the tools, and now you do. Digital products you make in 20 minutes. Faceless pages that grow while you sleep. Voiceover and editing services that pay this week. Affiliate videos that earn for months. And the automation system that ties it all together into one machine. Here's the one thing I want you to actually remember. If everything else falls out of your head, pick one. Just one. Don't try to start all 7 today, because that's how people freeze and quit. Start with hustle 1 before your coffee's even cold. Master it, then stack the next one on top. Because here's the truth. 2 years from now, somebody watching this exact video will be earning real money from a system they built starting today, and somebody else will still be scrolling, saying, I wish I'd started back when I saw that. I don't want that to be you. The window where this is still easy, where most people are still asleep at the wheel, it doesn't stay open forever. So if this helped, smash that like button. It genuinely pushes the video to more people who need it. Subscribe for more breakdowns like this one, and drop a comment telling me which hustle you're starting first, because I read every single one. I'll see you in the next one. Let's get it.